The Hindu for aspirants. Today's important articles for UPSC. Let's start quick with magnitude of 4.4, a wake-up call for India's seismic vulnerability. As we know, northward drift of India plate colliding with Eurasian plate at 4 cm to 5 cm a year, shaping Himalayas. It can impact 300 million people across northern India. Delhi lies in seismic zone 4, is at high risk because of its rapid urbanization and old structures. What is the way forward? Must ensure seismic code rigorously, retrofitting all buildings with steel jacket and mandating deep pile foundation. For Guwahati-like structure, following of this IS code, India can't afford delay as we done at the Bhuj disaster. There needs to be a national dialogue urging action before next quake. Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana was in news. It focused on agriculture productivity, crop diversification and sustainable agriculture. 6 years के लिए 24,000 crore rupees यहाँ पे allocated किए गए हैं. 100 districts come under this. For more information, refer one page notes. Next article. Once a person from Kodavri tribe murdered a Dhabir tribe person, then the entire community migrated from that place. Now after 12 years, Kodavri tribe returning back. This process is done under custom Chadu Taro. These communities belong to Gujarat, important for prelims. US Navy will construct 2 facilities for repair and maintenance of Philippines military boats. These locations are Oyster Bay and Quezon City in Palwan. These are important location for your prelims. It is just to counter the China at the South China Sea. Now articles from 16th of July. This article talks about headline inflation as it fell to 2.1%. But writers say food inflation is low because of seasonal effect, not any structural improvement. While CPI assigns 46% weightage to food, where 30% of household spends on food. And CPI base year is 2011 and 12, which is outdated. So we can also refer that education, healthcare have an inflation hit. As we see rise in cardiovascular disease, obesity, and health ministry instructed government department to display oil, sugar, trans fat on snacks like samosa, jalebi, and vada pav. It's a pilot initiative aimed for awareness. Even FSSAI, directed by the Supreme Court in July 2024 to enforce labeling on of high fat, sugar, salt on the foods and beverages. For other data, refer one pager notes. This one pager notes with micro themes available on my Telegram channel.